125. I wonder at the mentality of a miser. Fearing poverty, he takes to stinginess and thus hastily pushes himself headlong into a state of want and destitution. He madly desires plenty and ease, but throws it away without understanding. In this world, he, of his own free will, leads the life of a beggar, and in the next world, he will have to submit an account like the rich. I wonder at the arrogance of a haughty and vain person. Yesterday he was only a drop of semen, and tomorrow he will turn into a corpse. I wonder at the man who observes the universe created by Allah and doubts his being in existence. I wonder at the man who sees people dying around him, and yet he has forgotten his end. I wonder at the man who understands the marvels of genesis of creation and refuses to accept that he will be brought back to life again. I wonder at the man who takes great pains to decorate and to make comfortable this mortal habitat and totally forgets his permanent abode.